Hello, I'm Bitz.
And I'm Bob.
We love make and do. And we're going to show you how to make your very own pinwheel. Let's get started. To make your pinwheel, you will need a square piece of paper, scissors, some glue, a blob of modelling clay, a split pin and a straw. Fold your piece of paper from corner to corner like this. Make sure you press down hard to create a strong fold line. Then take the opposite two corners and fold them together in the same way. Ask a grown-up to carefully cut along the fold line, making sure they stop before they reach the middle. Do the same for all 4 lines. Now add a big blob of glue to the middle where the lines cross. Take one corner and stick it to the middle of the paper. Make sure you stick along the fold line. Then miss a corner and do the same with the next one until all 4 corners are stuck down. Looking good! Put the blob of modelling clay in the middle and carefully turn it over. Now ask a grown-up to put a hole through the middle with the split pin. Then ask them to put a hole through one end of your straw in the same way. Make sure it goes all the way through. Push the split pin through the hole in your pinwheel and then through the hole in the straw. Bend back the pins and now you have your very own pinwheel.
Woohoo! You did it!
You blitzed it! Wind power gets them spinning.